You will see this line in all web pages, but the question is, what is this line and what is the use case of this line and what is it used for? Another thing which is a must for designing a web page is to include something in the very top of our code, and that is to type something like this. So I put a less than sign, and as you can see, it shows DOCTYPE. But if it doesn't show DOCTYPE for you, you can simply type the other characters. It is exclamation mark and DOCTYPE, and as you can see, it shows that in the auto completion. So I press tab on my keyboard, so this is DOCTYPE, and as you can see, it says DOCTYPE HTML. Actually, this is a document type declaration. But what do I mean by that? Well, actually, DOCTYPE stands for document type. And when you write something like this in the beginning of your code, actually, you are saying to the browser that, hey, browser, the document type of this page is HTML. And also, when you write it this way, it means that you are going to use the latest version of HTML. So it basically tells the browser to expect HTML and what version to use. For example, as you can see, for older HTML documents, you were supposed to type something like this, which is a long thing. And as you can see, for older HTML documents, you needed to refer to something so-called DTD. It means document type definition. As you can see, this is DTD, and it makes this a bit longer. But nowadays, it's very simple, and all you need to type is something like this, which means use the latest version of HTML. And also, let me add a couple of other notes. First of all, this DOCTYPE declaration is not an HTML tag, so it's a document type declaration. It is not an HTML tag. And also, the DOCTYPE declaration is not case sensitive, but actually all people use this format. I mean, this uppercase format, although it is not case sensitive, but all people use this uppercase format. By the way, this was one of the videos of a step-by-step tutorial playlist of HTML, and you can find a link to that playlist in the description below. And also we have other playlists for other topics, which you can find them on the channel page.